Well, welcome back pluckers. Arthur Sawfingers again with you with hopefully another interesting part to Going Home from Mark Knopfler, another small part of the puzzle. So in part one we covered the first part of the verse, so this being part two, we're continuing where we left off and doing the rest of what I would call the verse. Okay, so we came out of the part one and we did this bit, and then we continue with this bit. Okay, so that's the bit we're going to learn now. Okay, so after we came out of the first part, we ended up with this little build up to the next part of the verse. Okay, and we went back to the 11th fret on the 3rd string and the 10th fret on the 2nd, and we started off like we did the first part. So 11th fret of the 3rd, 2 hits on the 2nd on the 2nd string, 10th fret. Okay, so we've got, and we've got quite a nice little bit here. Right, so what am I doing there? So I'm going from the 7th fret on the 3rd, hammering up to the 9th fret on the 3rd. Okay, like that. And I'm going to the 7th fret on the 2nd. Okay, got that? Then what I'm doing here is I'm barring the 10th fret of the 1st and 2nd strings with my 3rd finger. Okay, like that. So then we hit the bar, that put the bar on like that, and we hit the 10th fret of the 2nd string. Right, so you got that? And then we hit the 10th fret of the top E string. So you go, got that? Then we go down where the 2nd finger takes over on the 9th fret of the top E string. And then we go down to the 7th fret on the top E. Okay, with the 1st finger. And then we go back to the 9th fret on the top E. So we've got, okay, then back down to the 7th on the top E. Right, so now we've got, got that. And we go to the 10th fret of the 2nd string and end up on the 7th fret of the 2nd string. So it's a 10th fret of the 2nd string to the 7th fret. Okay, so that whole bit slowly. If you put that together, so when we come out of the first part, right, and at that point we do the counting of 6 again. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then to continue, we hit that 9th fret of the 3rd to the 7th fret on the 2nd to the 10th fret on the 2nd. Okay, so now we've got this. so far, and then we come into this bit. So we did go down to the ninth fret on the third after that. So we got, and then we hit it again. So it's like, so it's 1 on the ninth, third. Then we hit it again to the 7th on the third, and back to the ninth on the third. So it's, so now we got this. Play that really slowly, okay? Okay, and then we've got another one of these sort of things. Similar to the one you did before, but a little bit more complicated. Okay, so we start on a bar again, first finger bar on the 7th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, like we did before. And we hit the 4th string open, 4th string on the bar, 7th fret, then the 7th fret of the 3rd, 9th fret of the 3rd, like we did before. Then we play this 7th fret of the 2nd, the 3rd and the 4th. Then we go to the 9th on the 4th string, sorry, the 9th on the 4th string with the 3rd finger. So it's, okay. Then we play the 7th on the 3rd, 7th fret of the 2nd. So we've got, go to the 9th fret on the 3rd, sorry, let's do it again, sorry. And 2 hits on that 7th fret on the 3rd there. So once again, 7th fret of the 4th, 7th fret of the 3rd, 9th fret of the 3rd, 7th fret of the 2nd, 7th fret of the 3rd, 7th fret of the 4th, 9th fret of the 4th, then 7th fret of the 3rd, 7th fret of the 2nd, 9th fret of the 3rd, and 2 hits on the 7th fret of the 3rd. So very slowly. Even slower. Okay, and that's the end of the second bit. So all together, okay. Now, rhythm-wise, it's very similar to the first part of the verse. Okay, so D, B minor to D, da, da, G, da, 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 and then D, 6, and then B minor to D again, da, da, A, da, 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 G, D, da, 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 G, da, da, A, da, to D. So it's a little bit easier than the first time because there's no rundown on the G. Okay, so start again. B minor to D, da, da, G, da, D, da, 6. B minor to D, da, da, A, da, 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 D, da, da, G, da, 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 A, da, D, da. Then we're into part 3. Okay, hopefully you've got that one. It's coming along quite nicely. I think we've just got 2 more bits to learn, and then you've got the whole thing. Okay, so I'll leave you with that, and we'll just go through the whole thing once again, each part very slowly. Okay, so coming out of the first part. And the rhythm. Okay, so I'll leave you with that. Hopefully you'll get your head around that. But that, I say, once we're in the swing of playing this, it starts to become a bit easier. Okay, so see you in the next lesson, part 3. Okay, bye for now.